guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're featuring a massive Armstrong Steel building from Pueblo, Colorado. This beauty is perfect for so many industrial or commercial uses and comes loaded with features like insulated metal panels, a standing seam roof, and lots of windows for great natural lighting. Covering more than 70,000 square feet, this structure offers 100 foot of clearance width between sections and reaches over 40 feet high at its peak. Before we jump in, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Armstrong Steel channel for more fantastic projects coming your way.